It's springtime. Warmer weather is upon us. I am biting at the bit to do some fishing. And I will do some fishing, but today's video is about the one place I've been wanting to fish for the longest time, but I can't. For the last 5 years, there's a spot I've been wanting to fish on the Ohio River, but it's no trespassing. You guys want to see that spot? You want to see it? All right, I have arrived. The place I am biting at the bit to fish for the last 5 years. As you can tell, there's people down there fishing right now. Look at that. Every time I drive by here, there's somebody fishing down here. There's a lot of reasons I want to fish here. Let me tell you some of the few. You see that right over there? They load grain on barges. And some of that grain gets in the water, and it's a very popular place to fish. As you can see, there's boaters out there right now. Look at that, they're fishing right over there. That boater's fishing. Then you got the couple down yonder there fishing. And look at it down here. It is perfect to fish. There's no trespassing signs at this moment. Only thing you have is do not spray. But I do know there is no trespassing here. I know this for a fact. Every so often you'll see a sign go up, then it mysteriously disappears. Okay, one more shot of this spot before we leave here. Look at this. If this ain't the perfect place, at least for me, to fish, I don't know what to tell you. For me, this will be the best place. And yes, it is on a busy road. I know that, but down there you could tune out the car sounds. I mean, it's perfect. Now that building right there, that's called the Applewood Restaurant. It is no longer open. It is for sale. By the way, if you want to buy it, go for it. They own all this property right through here. And I know for a fact, even though there's no trespassing signs, you can't trespass on this. There's other spots on the Ohio River I could fish, yeah. There's one real close here to home, right down the road there. But I can't tell you, I have fished there many times, but I am not going to put on YouTube why I can't fish there today. No, I'm not going to put that out there. There's another spot in Rising Sun, Indiana. It's a really good place to fish. I caught my biggest fish up to date there, right there. Yeah, had to look down and see what my doggy's doing. Yes, I caught my biggest fish up to date there. The only problem with that place is it's real rocky. I have made a video in the past about me wanting to fish at this spot before. Yes. And just like in that video, just like in today's video, no trespassing. Let's talk about that. If you only knew how many times I will go out to a location to do some filming and get stopped by a no trespassing sign, you'd be amazed. Just last week, we drove 100 miles to a location. I was after a train bridge and a locomotive. I watched a video on this. There was only one online. I did as much research as I could on this. It was 100 miles away. I was totally stoked for this location, man. I was like, yes! Only to get all the way out there, and it's no trespassing. What aggravated me about that was the one video I did see, which was a pretty big YouTuber. I'm not going to mention his name. It would have been very helpful if he would have mentioned in the video, oh, by the way, you can't film here. You can't even get on the premises because of no trespassing. Yeah, that one's pretty nasty today. I wasn't too terribly hurt about it because we had a lovely ride up there and what a lovely ride back. And spotted out maybe, I think it was in 1 or 2 other places I might be able to film. Could I have done better homework on this place? No, I thought I did. But yeah, only to be stopped by no trespassing, y'all. I see that a lot. Let's talk a little bit more about that. I could go ahead and fish down there anyway and ignore the fact that I know it's no trespassing. Couldn't I? No. One of 2 things can happen if I was to go down there and fish. One, I could be in charge for no trespassing. 2, I could lose my fishing license. Guys, what kind of person would I be to basically make a video and say, yeah, let's go ahead on these no trespassing places, go ahead and step on the property. No, I'm not about that. Even though there's not a sign there at this moment, I still know it's no trespassing. If you knew the countless times, how many times I drove by there and see people fishing, you'd be amazed on that too. Multiple times. And yes, whenever I see that, you can ask Angie, I'm like, oh, I need to go down there and fish. I know I need to fish. And she's like, no trespassing. I was like, but they're down there. And Angie reminds me, who knows, they may be friends with the owner. They may have special permission. You don't think I ain't thought about getting special permission? I have. I don't know the owner of the building. I kind of know of them, but to basically it wouldn't be easy to locate the guy, say, hey, can I fish on your property? No, I thought about that. Yes, all last year I was trying, and guys, that's something else there too. Some of the places I have filmed are no trespassing, and I actually had to get special permission. I get lucky sometimes, but I do mention in my videos, there's no trespassing. And most of the time when people let you on their property, there's no trespassing, they just tell you do not mention where this is at, and I follow that. But let's say I did go down there and fish knowing it's no trespassing, I might get away with it. I might get away with it the first time, second time, but you always taking that chance of being caught, getting in trouble, and it's not worth a huge fine, maybe a day or two in jail, and it's definitely not worth me losing my fishing license over. No, I'd play by the rules. But it is such a fine place to go fishing. I've been wanting to do it, and every time I see somebody down there fishing, it gets me, man. It gets me. I was like, that could be us. That could be us. I mean, you've seen a couple down there fishing, right? Not a care in the world. They had a wagon like we do. They had multiple pulls up. But they may be friends with the owner. Hell, it may be the owner and his wife themselves. What do I know? There's lots of places to fish, y'all. I know lots of lakes, which I'm going to hit every one of them this season. I know lots of creeks. I know ponds. But the Ohio River is something special. Guys, every time I fish the Ohio River, I catch something. And the biggest fish, like I showed you a little bit ago, up to date, I've ever caught was out of the Ohio River. Yeah. And that spot that I'm wanting to fish at so bad is one of the best spots around here in these parts to fish. The other best spot on the Ohio River is Markland Dam. Yes, this spot right here, because they put grain on them barges, that grain gets in the water, it attracts the fish. You see boaters out there. Now, if I had a boat, I could fish it. Yes! Oh, I still wish I had a boat. Yeah, maybe, maybe not. Yeah, last year I talked about getting a boat, because I had the fever. I even talked about docking it over here. A small fishing boat. But yeah, I still got that fever, but reality set in, y'all. A boat would be nice, it would, but if it's for me to have one, I will be able to get one in the future. But right now, it's not meant for me to have a boat. But guys, that's it. I've been very eager to want to try and find a way legally to fish at that spot at the Ohio River. Legally, yes, there's no signs right now, and I don't know why a no trespassing sign goes up on the property, and about 2 months later it disappears, and then about a month later another no trespassing sign goes up, and somehow it disappears. But I know for a fact it's no trespassing down there. Yeah. We did even go as far as finding the owner of Applewood Restaurant, because it's for sale. It was easy to do, and found a way to maybe try to contact this guy, but we didn't think that was feasible. No. So guys, that's all I got to say about that. I do have a closure for you. If you actually watched this video and you watched it to the very end, I want to thank you. If you're one of the people that like to come to my channel because I take you to on the adventures to a waterfall, historical place, or see Mother Nature itself, or see the wildlife, if you're one of them people, but yet you still watch this video, thank you. The adventures like that, yes, it's what I'm all about. But the way things have been with rain, work schedule, oh my word, I have not been able to get out in the field to do these adventures. Tomorrow's one of them days I could get out and film, right? And just like last week, we got severe thunderstorms supposed to hit us tomorrow. Now, by some chance, them storms hold off, I will go locally somewhere and maybe do some type of filming of maybe some wildlife or something. I don't know. I will find something, but it has to be local, because you don't know when these storms are going to pop up, and they're supposed to be tornadic. It's that time of year. We're in transition. But yeah, with work schedule been all goofed up. I have 3 days off, man. Yeah, starting, well, not exactly right now. Starting tomorrow, I have the next 3 days off. But we have rain on one of them days, which is tomorrow. The other day is going to be very windy, which ain't going to stop me. And the day after that, there is a doctor's appointment. It's just a routine checkup. But after that, well, I do have some business to take care of. But after that, I have 3 days. And I'm going to try to use them wisely. So if you watch this video all the way through, and you're only coming to my channel for the adventures, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm still all about the adventures, but every so often, I have to throw something in like this. Yeah. And yes, I will be fishing very soon, y'all. Very soon. I got some things to take care of first. Yard work, yeah. I'm having to mow already. Can you believe that? But guys, soon we'll be out in the field doing some fishing and running across more trespassing signs. No trespassing signs. And we'll be just living it up and fishing. Did I say that already? All right, guys, leave your comments down below. Would you fish that place anyway? Even if there's a no trespassing sign there and other people do it, would you do it anyway? Well, I'm not one of these people. I cannot and will not. Till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here.